This is section 1.6, example number 10 for 8. So we're raising a quotient here to a power. So what we need to do is raise both the numerator and the denominator to that power. So you've got x squared raised to the 4th power over 2 to the 4th power. Then x squared to the 4th power, we'll use this rule for this part. So first we use, to get from this step to this step, we use this rule here. And now we need to use this rule. A to the m, the nth power, equals a to the m times n. And you'll see we have x squared to the 4th power. So what we need to do is multiply. We've got x to the 2 times 4 over 2 to the 4th. And then finally, all we need to do is simplify. So x to the 2 times 4, that's just x to the 8th. And then 2 to the 4th, well, you can think of it, okay, you can do it in your head or do it on a calculator. But if you don't remember it off the top of your head, you can think, okay, 2 cubed is 8, so then 8 times 2, that's just 16. But anyway, so it's x to the 8th over 16. And that's our answer for part A. Now, go ahead and erase this for part B, because we need a lot of space again. Part B. Y squared z cubed over 5 to the negative 3. Y squared z cubed over 5 to the negative. Okay, so step 1, we need to apply this power, or raise the numerator and the denominator to negative 3. So the numerator is y squared z cubed to the negative 3, not negative 5, negative 3, and then we've got 5 to the negative 3 here. Okay, then next we need to use this rule. A, b, the nth power equals a the n, b the n. And we need to use that here because we've got something times something to a power. So then we need to make this, okay, y squared to negative 3 times z cubed to the negative 3, all divided by 5 to the negative 3. Okay, now the next rule we need to use is, we used this last time too, a to the m, the nth power equals a to the m times m. And we'll use this for both y and z. So we've got y squared to the negative 3. That becomes y to the 2 times negative 3. And z cubed to the negative 3 becomes z to the 3 times negative 3, all over 5 to the negative. Okay? So then next we need to do, okay, y to the 2 times negative 3, that's y to the negative 6, z to the 3 times negative 3, that's z to the negative 9, and over 5 to the negative 3. Now, what we need to do is use this rule, a to the negative n equals 1 over a to the n, and what follows directly from it, which is 1 over a to the negative n equals a to the n. So we can see y to the negative 6, that becomes 1 over y to the positive 6 using this part. Oh no. There we go. So y to the negative 6 becomes 1 over y to the 6 using this part. Z to the negative 9 becomes 1 over z to the 9 using this part. And 1 over 5 to the negative 3, you can think about it, if it's in the denominator, you can go ahead and think about just that part as 1 over 5 to the negative 3. And that becomes 5 cubed. And now we just have really one more step to simplify. Well, 5 cubed, that's just 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and then 25 times 5 is 125. So that'll be 125 over y to the 6 times z to the 9. Y is z to the 9, and we're done. So thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps a little, and if you have any questions, let me know.